Hey folks, I just wanted to take a quick second because I'm so excited to share what we have going on in our kitchen. So this is our kitchen, and when we bought this house, roughly, I think it's been 5-6 years now, my main complaint about this house was the countertops. And if you have these and you love them, I mean, no offense, but for me, they're hard to decorate with. The green is just, I just don't like, I don't love it. So we've went through the years, we've looked at granite and stuff, and I've been really big into Travis making things for our home, like our shelves. He altered this table for me so it would fit up against the wall. Don't mind my messy dining room. He reworked this table, refinished it. So these things are very special to me because I can pass these down to my family and they'll always bring memories of us. They were made with love by us, our family, for our home. So with that in mind, I started talking about wood countertops. And so today, Travis and his brother are finally going to go get the wood, and Travis is going to make us new countertops. So within the next few weeks, be getting new countertops, new sink, yay, because I hate this thing, new faucet, yay, and we will be painting the cabinets not far after that. So I'm really excited. I just wanted to share my excitement. I'll be posting lots of pictures of the process, maybe even can talk Travis into doing a little video, a little DIY with some instruction. So that's all for today, but I'm super excited, guys. Join in my excitement. Bye-bye.